Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Solfarm token. Now the Solfarm token is getting a brand new central exchange listing, and we're going to go over the information on the Solfarm token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced on Twitter. It says, upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list Solfarm soon. Solfarm is a GameFi project where you transform into a real farmer and earn tokens for harvesting. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements, so you can follow at Bitmart Exchange on Twitter, or you can follow Solfarm's Twitter right there at Solfarm Official, and they're going to announce soon when the exact listing date is. If you don't have a Bitmart account, you can download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search Solfarm when it gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. Now, their Twitter is at Solfarm Official. They have their webpage listed on the Twitter there, solfarm.net, and their Telegram's on there as well, Solfarm_portal. So welcome to Solfarm, the NFT farm game on the blockchain platform. Players sow seeds and make friends in the virtual world, earn real money through blockchain with friends just by playing games. In the Solfarm game world, the player can connect with friends in the referral system, add and interact with friends, farming, animal husbandry together, and earn money together by buying the seeds and getting rewarded by the Oracle system. Players are always guaranteed capital and profits through the game, regardless of the market price. In the referral system, players can refer friends to play the game and reach VIP levels and get extra huge bonus rewards from the in-game referral system. Players can get up to 5% worth of tokens harvested and up to 15% of the number of tokens used to buy NFTs on all referred players. So the gameplay, it says the NFTs in the game are seeds. Players can buy the seeds from the seed shop, sow the seeds, take care of them. When the required number of waterings is reached, the tree will bear fruit, and the player can harvest agricultural products in the form of tokens. Each player has 20 plots of land available. The player needs to plant the seeds on the plots of the land of the farm. Each type of tree has a different maturity time, and the number of tokens earned is a lot different. Crops need to be tended before they can be harvested. After planting, the player needs to water them sufficiently every 24 hours. When the required number of waterings is reached, the tree will bear fruit, and the player can harvest agricultural products in the form of tokens. If the tree is not taken care of, it will be slow to grow and cannot be harvested on time, significantly affecting the yield. Through the Oracle system, crop prices and crop profits are converted to USD and will not change. The profit from the harvest will be fixed depending on the variety you grow with regard to the price of the token. After harvesting, the plant will die and you must buy new seeds to plant. So with the Oracle system, players are guaranteed a profit from each type of tree that they choose to buy and farm. The tokens will be balanced to the rate of USD when players buy the seeds and harvest. So players only need to care about the seed price in the shop and the seed's profit rate. No need to care about the price of the tokens. And then they have different information on all the seeds, so there's apples, oranges, pears, cherries, avocados, etc. After harvesting, the tokens received will be automatically added directly into the player's game wallet. When harvested, the number of tokens harvested will be balanced according to the USD exchange rate at the time of harvest. Players will receive tokens corresponding to the conversion rate. Depositing or withdrawing in-game tokens will incur a 2.5% transaction fee, total of 5%. 90% of the fee is used to buy back and burn the support of the token price, 10% for the developer team and marketing activities. So there is a referral system where you can refer people to the project, and they go over the game features. So there's the seed shop, the place where you can sell seeds at different values and prices. Players can choose to buy seeds that suit their pockets. Of course, the higher the economic value of the seed, the more expensive and the higher amount earned, and vice versa. Then there's the storehouse, a place to store seeds purchased, tokens earned, deposit and withdraw tokens by players. Then there's the farm. After buying seeds, players bring them here to plant. Players can expand their farms by spending money to open more plots of land, dig ponds, graze livestock and poultry, etc. To achieve a higher yield, players need to take good care of their garden. There's also the money tree. All players on the server join hands to water the money tree, the ancestor of prosperity on the island. After every 7 days, the reward will be divided among the participants. Connect with friends in the referral system as well. So you can go over the whole seed system of all the different fruits and plants, avocados, cherries, pears, etc. They have all different links there. They have upcoming features, so they're going to have a piggy bank. Every day the player can save a certain number of tokens in the piggy bank. When players want to withdraw their money, they will smash the piggy bank. Depending on how much time you save, you will receive a corresponding token. Then there's the farm expansion. There's going to be different livestock. You can add friends, and you can visit your friend's farm. So this is on the Solana blockchain, obviously, because the name Solfarm. You can find their document section with all the info on it at solfarm-docs.gitbook.io/docs. Now their Telegram has 5,210 subscribers, so they're doing pretty well so far. You can click play in the top right-hand corner of their webpage there at solfarm.net. You can subscribe to an email, join the Discord. Now the token has a total supply of 1 million tokens. 40% goes to FarmFi, 3% marketing, 2% team, 5% central exchanges, 45.4% presale, 4.5% liquidity. And if you're buying this off a decentralized exchange like Radium, Jupiter, Orca, etc., it says there is 0% buy tax, and it says 0% slippage, basically. And yeah, you can check out all the NFTs, all this type of stuff on here. They do have a roadmap here when they're coming out with different parts of the game. I guess they had a pre-sale as well. They're going to be on DEX Tools. So yeah, it says Radium, DEX Screener, DEX Tools, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. They're doing giveaways, collaboration, central exchange listings, and then eventually updating the roadmap and multi-chain bridge as well. Check this all out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.